Good morning, friends. Welcome in Ashu Thakur YouTube channel. So, again, we are here to discuss some most important MCQs. So, first is adding salt and sugar to food substances helps in preserving them for a longer duration. It is because excess salt and sugar. Option 1 plasmolyze the microbial cells. 2 cause rupturing of the microbial cells. 3 cause change in the shape of the microbial cells. 4 remove water from food. Option 1 correct. Plasmolyze the microbial cells. Question number 2 hormone adrenaline. Option A helps control level of sugar in the blood. 2 helps the body to adjust a stress level when one is very angry or worried. Option 3 helps control height. Option 4 helps control balance of electrolytes in the body. Option 2 is a correct, helps the body to adjust stress level when one is very angry or worried. Question 3 the greenhouse effect, which is causing an increase in the atmospheric temperature, is mainly due to option A oxygen. Option 2 green plants respire only during the nighttime. 3 green plants respire during the daytime but are involved in the photosynthesis during the nighttime. 4 the rate of photosynthesis is higher than the rate of respiration during the daytime. Option number 4 correct. The rate of photosynthesis is higher than the rate of respiration during the daytime. Question number 5 a common characteristic feature of plants, sieve tube cells, and mammalian erythrocytes is option A absence of nucleus, B absence of chloroplast, 3 absence of cell wall, 4 presence of hemoglobin. Correct option 1 absence of nucleus. Question number 6 most boards of education have banned the dissection of animals because 1 animals are no longer available for dissection. 2 procuring animals has become an expensive proposition. 3 there is a need to sensitive students to prevention of cruelty to animals. Option 4 they may spread new diseases. Option 3 is the right option. There is a need to sensitize students to prevention of cruelty to animals. Seventh, the main aim of conducting mathematics and science Olympiads is to 1. Promote excellence in the subject by nurturing creativity and experimentation. 2. Grade student according to their capabilities. 3. Help student to score high marks in the professional examinations. 4. Grade students based on the performance of their students. Option 1 is the right option. Promote excellence in the subject by nurturing creativity and experimentation. Question number 4. Four applicants for a post of TGT Science were asked to plan a lesson on consequences of deforestation. Which one of the following lesson plan reflects the scientific approach? Option 1. Explain in detail the consequences of the deforestation. 2. To provide a variety of examples to explain the concept. 3. Include activities that children can perform in the groups and draw conclusion through a PowerPoint presentation. 4. Mention about the use of ICT to help students understand the concept. 3 is absolutely right option. Include activities that children can perform in groups and draw conclusions through a PowerPoint presentation. Question number 9. Miss Patel, principal of school XYZ, is keen about integrated approach to teaching of science rather than teaching different disciplines separately. This is basis of this is option A non availability of qualified teacher in her school to teach separate disciplines. B difficulty to adjust the teacher in the timetable. 3 difficulty of student to adjust to different teachers. 4 all the disciplines are interlinked and a teacher can draw on cross curricular linkage. 4 option is absolutely correct. So fourth option is all that disciplines are interlinked and a teacher can draw on cross curricular linkages. 10th question a teacher plans to teach components of food in class 6. Which of the following can be used as an essential question? Option A list the food item your mother serves you in the lunch. Second, why does your mother serve you a meal with a variety of food items? 3. Does your mother prepare a definite set of food items for lunch every day? Yeah, fourth, do you eat all the items served in your lunch every day? Second option is absolutely right or suitable. Why does your mother serve your meal with a variety of food items? So thank you friends. Keep watching, share and subscribe Ashu Thakur YouTube channel. Thank you.